Mrs. AKKK or Universe, let's talk about him. All right. Uwaila, you are the first person for me to talk to this morning. Today. Uwaila, Nare, Ugbo Yoto, Diana. Every nogba. Every nogba at all. Uwaila. Or money the shine we a bien winnie. Or money or ben we are KJ hostage. Emma. Or you can yagba or money. No matter what, or we were so her battle no battle with Buwa. But to be a diamond or need their attention way. Or need that attention way. Umetia Kuria Tawu Eruni de DNA and Uria. When I make the same place you raised from Edo State, the same I believe you are seeing Nigeria by this time, already the same position. Already the same state without let you go. We are gelo ne mi yana fo to Uwaila. Ukpu we no we ya gwale yan no ti je money. Or no boy family already shine. Since a shine me never social media a shine me here. Or Miami yawu. No tear family together. No we are with DNA or money. No make na agba responsibility where. Because where keve ya fie kia you we shine. Where man won ko where man who we won ko. Where ke ya gwale inside chicken le ya here. Uwaila. Where man who we won ko Is you walona gele very day important to you. Where they are fekia yoe. Ujoe ya fekia. Abi we helta me mewe. And then the last bus stop of a shitty way not it down. Where you shitty le ya hena. Ya bag responsibility where Uwaila. Because this is getting too much. I always shine or egbe ma be okay shine ge. Ya to me quick shine. But on my the right place. Since on gwalero mokia. Sometimes shine, let me tell you, because Uzua, there are things no salobwa allowed to happen to somebody. It's for a betterment. Sometimes you went through went through a thing that you not supposed no get it no la. But it's for a betterment. God know how he's preparing his children. Osalobwa no allow you when to be used as instruments of this kind of nonsense. God knows no boy can no money bagbon. But you come out every time we will get your money gwale rakia. When I want money where I am no so about this end of you when it near to diamond. Where give your money gwale right? Because sometimes maybe money bune no me go o kie ota. Iya hima no gi ba e motiku. Where do you when you hire those zagbon or man in a family or getting Uwaila? Where they diamond do you have those zagbon or mine Uwaila kekiyare ibiyedikeya. There are the ways no ya creator of agbona, but mani agbona we just want it everything to be just be done instantly. Nemi yawa dies no stop in the map. Sometimes God will allow you to face a lot of calamities. Even people will throw stone at you. When God is preparing you for greatness, people will throw a stone at you. They will humiliate you. But if you can win them and endure all those battles, true to God, you will be a better place, better position. Why do I no more gwalera here when I'm here with Oba Emera? Osalo bonogia diagbon first or a right. It's like sure you just make it look like way Uwaila you must come carry this pikin. Who are full leg boy shine true to God. Who are getting full leg boy. Just that you no more ya gwalera here. Na we don't go ye no more na. Uwaila share we too much to more money. Ya more money or money number one in way to have na rabino e share to boy we ya lele ruwala we ma wa binu e share hi woman like a family of abinu when ya lele abinu e ruwala when ya afia kanu we abinu we ma we share abinu we ke ya afia kanye wa ọmọ no give lala diana wa do mo bi okan ni yekele wa do mo yu okpe wa mo e yokpe without even oh, that is care for that child. But 19999 na money. Luwala ya gba owo bi okan ni. There you okay ehiama. Okay ehiama for real. Okay ehiama because me my baby wa not take buwa dignity men in those states. No do follow buwa with social media na. Then wa igbo yo to ne manike are manike no dogi no look upon una if the people that is looking upon you guys then wa gbo yo to ne the send this useless thing wa the calamity wa those states in oh wa gbo yo to ne nike na wa ho ni ya wi huwe these are kind of things that some people will be saying that binime. All these things now, ma say ne ma ya tie binime is not good. O ma say, no regbe ni binime, no regbe ni ku. Imagine child, the other day you were even laughing lady your song. You were even clapping hands like as he say ogbanu wefu. Also, there is sometimes. It can be, before I talk for people matter, I they observe, I they know what to say. I often look you. They can look what say. So share we what is zua. Oh, this your AK. Even I want the move say. I want the move go top yeah. You come outside. God let we the word where they observe your husband. We don't even know anything. No. We they feel say maybe this man. That is something is happening from our side, you know. According to other people, they always go. They tag the man, say the man are drunkard. You will be wife, no easy coese. Come outside, come let the world know. Say yes, what will they observe? What will they think? Say na truth. We order from where we drunkard though. We men who can lay your dog pastor, your dog boy, me. That is shine you fuck up. Hi. God, you fuck up. You deserve it when not receive it. Because me one of the temptation also when not we want me na. Oh man, no man down. Oh my team make temptation that these cameras. The camera no want to secret way na. Oh man down. All the maybe not what they. You just come agree to the word that your husband is a very drunk. A drunk no so hero. Agolo a drunk. In short, Omayevon says a lot of things. And at the same people now where support you where they brainwash you to come outside and be a babiyala. Not okay, babiyala, give me 1 naira. Babiyala, give me 1 naira. They don't even get sense. Say this time around, say you carry your own husband come outside, called saga. And at this point, you don't need to come outside to say, Babi Yala, you need money. They don't even let you know. They don't even calculate for you. Now, whether not then still call you, now you rush, go tell your husband, I'm sorry. Worry, baby, rush in la to come in my way. Area, you need the help. You want the travel. You want to go Dubai. You want to go to so place. That means, why are you running? We are good. Who not made a mistake by mistakes. Do you want to be there? You want to be that is but because of your own selfishness and greediness, that is we jolo same and boom. And also no problem man I killed dead in way. Oh, we are dead wala that one making they go out with that wala before. Ya gurule okay ge wena uladia do gboda fo gbe wa ka bu gele wa zipopo yo oda fo onisan u gele zipopo yo onisan even boss una ve la da be la dia again don do ge pa bu o ge bega una do abeg ni ya do ri go you we one akazi egbe ne no settle wo wa when that is after set and done maybe now you with your husband go come outside come do that begging. They will know say yes. A lot of people will not support you, including me. I will say yeah, they support you well. But the moment you are fighting your husband, the moment you are fighting the world and you are bringing out a beggar. Inigo with temata my man temata. Ema ya no de no to the way. Igo we me or say 200,000. Let me see. Ema no de no to the way. Igo we me or say 200,000. Even all those presenters telling you to bring out the plate of meme. No ya beg no ya beg Ibarosa ni. Ave ma mo ya beg Ibarosa. No we mu ladia ni. Ave presenter no one we do pa mu ladia. If they give you money bigger one na 30,000 naira. The higher one wey they will give you. No one even zo ya be gbewu ya ni. Oga 50 euro. Oga meti de no. I to understand. So ya na ni ti dey gather enu we now. O say 200,000 naira. Let be sincere my sister. No do full leg boy by the nonsense. Inside fully yourself the same thing you guys are dragging Eruwala to boy no. Bianima be handed because we never give an egg Eruwala. I'm a send we ya more money. I be when family Eruwala. Esha who to promise a marriage promise. How my equal a marriage? Esha marry equal a marriage or way. But you already post one meti ya mesha money who ya no me everywhere mugijwe mugiotwa or ya mo ye body house. You can collect that charge from her. Why that girl Shine is losing it? Shine is already crazy. She's crazy. She's losing it. She think where area evanike ya ladia ya gbelevan. Let me tell you, okay, lady or song, there we boy where have or where no via me yala ladia. Do you think lady or song will come social media begin to even have one-on-one saga with somebody? Do you think we all do an one-on-one with saga with anybody? I be Martin calling Shine. Lady or song that omanekwegi musenyegi no. If not because of where the he had to be of you or don't move the latia. But you just imagine you now. Even I'm seeing you now. You are crazy already. You are losing it. When we have a marriage, or not a marry, or that when I was saying, or not marriage, we not marry away. Or mamu where ye rent, or not or bogwag, or not away yo. On a remote with a motor 800,000, 300,000, on a get the edge of bo. Possible Tony, oh yeah, just store, no women store. Do you know then back then people see you like this say on a gallant of a male at least beg. But now we're not a boy to make well at the don't tell the world that you are nobody, you have nothing. He signed there go in his son. I'm out of his son if you are son. Where? All to give my away, you are always very, very stinking. And you want nobody to talk on it. When you come outside daily to disgrace yourself. To disgrace yourself. Nobody know when see the big called AKA number at 100. Who send you? Eke ni we ya segbu we yoto we ya segbu egi yeke e gwa we act egbu eke ruri gwa lo o ge gbo gi no entitlement we no. Do you understand? But women wine this time around they told o ma fi gbegu e na iwebe I think uwe man e ma ya ni de no je ni we ya ri go this time in the Facebook no ya when that is ne ya yeah your matter yeah your matter when you buy when you are you would de ya him ya when you are in the pan ya him ya we yeah eru agbe we wa na ti very oni ge bo wa le luwe ka bo wa re wo ma meti mi e bo ni ya se ru wa lasikoto na le mi we aweru wa lori to bori do lati yan do wetin we wa ka me shine mo bi yen giyen o wa ha me shine mo bi yen giyen o wa ha me shine so we wa na we bo very ori we ma se me yeru wa la gbe leru wa la lodu agwa lo mo fe social media ama we o ma meti wo ni wo to bu wo gi duye mo gwa leru wa la yan and we mo wa na we body wa na bo unwe bo wa na bo won de obi won de me be ekere mekere my sister but we get we wa bo gbudu ni we eri mami water no waru weze we wa ni o mo meti je bo we je enu ya seru wala sikoto le wala yo meme na mi we te du wala gi nene hiya the street yo gi go hiya we wa ha me sha mo diamond yen giyen o wa ha me sha mo diamond giyen o we wa he mi se be do ni o mo meti je mi ni ya seru wala ya he o meme lawa sha ni kwa mu lawa ni kwa mu other for when marry we a Solomon marry we we were even from outside seeing if you feel like you are on top the world. A lot of people even jealous of you. People wants to be like you. You were a role model to others. Being in Oga Solomon's house. Not knowing that you were one umaye settled. There is your mind you have not settled. Who were married eka. Like we are go rush here. That means you wait one marry a Solomon without you don't even love this Oga Solomon. We might love her. Whenever you wear a cage, you might love Oga Solomon because we are love Oga Solomon. You're supposed to be good day content with anything no really areva. Amiya wo efe odo bove ne obi de ne kere o hane gbugwa. O ne gbugwa. O eti the who the boy say if they contented, but no, because we woman love her, because pepper, I want use the way I pepper wala where you me odo, so my ye me odo. Oh, where did you want to marry? So man me odo. Emma, I don't just understand. I say you sabot child. Oh man, oh man, we were taking shine, eh? Oh my can we marry na mu go jiwo but we were forced we to be married now na mu go jiwo also not face have faces even face that also not face we buy everything at time okay there are some things that God wants you to face in this life before you can be settled, but if you force yourself to have that thing, that is who to about to have that thing. This is kind of life you want pass through. We are woman away, but that's and we overthrow. That is you will say yourself. But yeah, when I so wrong, there are some people you will just see man now. Man, the man instantly the man will tell you say, "Will you marry me?" But some people they no. It never reach your time. No rush. If you reach your time, you go marry your best friend. Your own best friend. And you go there contented. But child begin they run. First 1-0, second 1-0, second one no wawe. Osula do am I so anything see. Why had una had single life, my sister? You go breed 2 cow. You breed 2 cow come. Maja, I will die so will use that take cleanse you. So that mean you not call infect us with all this your bad luck when they carry come from husband house, they call single life. May you not call infect us. We have learned for our mistakes. So may you not come carry your infection. Come infect us for inside single mother's life. That is why you need to bring 2 cows to cleanse the land. And kola nut. And Oga Solo, you need to collect, I think, Oguwa, Where you hear the Oliya market, all the goat where they sell for Oliya market. If that goat reach 100, make sure I go buy all of the come for now. Oh yeah, no do ya boja ju wa igbere. Where ya no Oliya market. But when they say ya dey yare. Where no ya boja ni ju wa igbere. The other day a 20 cow buy. Oh yeah, but there you emu share mu. Say Shai a problem with boy. Shai has problem on her own. She has problem or her own. There you gas Solomon. I don't know. Now the last statement. I don't know is the last statement. Here one more of you work so he go to take carry 500,000 in nowhere else say a Europe banini. So if because of your son now only your son added that 500,000 get when you are all keeping of your own son both the boy's school fees or a boy all satisfied that time all satisfied that time. Cause there you is shy ready to haka give away him. Oga Solomon, shy ready to send you exiled. Because my love you child just marry you say I want to do pepper then. I know why did you want to marry? Or my a love of my love you me maybe the way I within a clear ya be your money nowhere. For her to come outside to call you drunk, to call you some kind dirty names, like say we to way to punch in why one you do a punch in you do a punch. That is why I misbehave. So I don't think she loved you or that sexual urge that she's enjoying it. Never. She wasn't enjoying it. She wasn't enjoying you. So how me mind why you be your money here? Do you understand? Eruwala, please go and take care of that diamond. Ya take care of her. Oh well we Abiju wala ma he we o ma he we umwe kono po be bo ene. O he ne now. We na gele value wo we ni gbeju wala. We are the le lo po be buy. And I be na be why me si go mo de why me no second wife in Ema do afi do gbege second wife. A second side chick all tare. Wo do no mo hu bo ari bo ade. Do afi fi lele. Out tare if you valued your wife at home, don't go for any side chick. If your marriage is really perfect, maybe you love your partner so well, don't even find another second. When my be no go on a second, they are not contented with what they have in door. You ma respect work here. You ma dey contented with you work. Hey ya go on say you ya here. When you have to care you walk away, we might have this kind of result. We come as we might have or more like or emiame. Before okay ya walk away, we might have miame more by vacuum. Walk by like we almost to move your way. I don't more do you have no rowa. Oh, when miame ya move ya no rowa. How why ya for you? And the people will not begin to be blaming the people, the second or the side chick, as you guys claims. But we are not be aware. We are what the boy ya away. We might like our because if you love what you marry, put for house. If you really love what you marry, who go? Where go? I'm out to be out of buy the mood give away. You know what? Ya gba of your honey. Ya gba of your honey. Ya gba of your honey. I believe you might be having you will still have mother by this time or have siblings. One may take more money gear. Taking care of that child does not mean that you will have constant conversation with Shine or you will dedicate yourself to Ito Shine's life. But the small girl don't they grow. If it get the small girl get access to phone, you go buy phone for her. They talk to her by yourself. She don't grow. She don't be newborn baby. Where you come say, let you will not get to her. No. She don't grow to the SSH. She feel handle phone. She feel talk to you. You wanna go and take care of that girl. Go and take care of that girl. Cause keke yama. Keke yama. E sha wetin ya win no sa. We ya win no sa. Omo no eke no good no shut up. For the dear one, when we make case like that with social media. You shut up. I see how that child will become. God allows something to happen sometimes. So, God allows something to happen sometimes. You don't know why that this incident before or that charge. I can't be on your head. And then I can't arrow egbe. You might not see no somebody allow it. You might can position of somebody your money here. True did we have not passed through. I'm a testimony. God is really great. Sometimes God will allow you to face some kind of difficulties. I know it's hard, but if you can be able to be patient and pass through that difficulty, you go see the results. I'll be testimony of it. I'll be testimony of it. Omo no era to boy no go le ya here when the way shine na yin shine no mo ginye wo gi gwa yo mo gwale polygamous man won no e ma na ma he obu se ne ru wala e mo ko na mo e then you come outside they curse everybody. Child, if I were you, come beg your husband family. Nobody can beg why they see your husband they post for that wall. Well, where is a beg? What? See, wa continue having another social media. You will not forgive. You will not do this one. Is that hard to beg, man? Solo for we get one me solo for. Ele abeg opia. Upon me and wa opia ni ugbo bia ni gbe sha. Ugbe wa gbe yagbon. That is, you disgraced him. All your effort you put it down gwogre. Uwe gwogre effort of eso. Gwogre effort of obiere. You need to beg, seriously beg. Even find people that will join you to beg him. If some social media no way do atie bongena do are ere na go you see they come out they cause them. If I were you, dropped all those your pride, those your dirty pride. Dropped it, begin beg people. You offend everybody. We so not bang maro we because we more on social media. I say on no kind of social media. You need to say sorry to the world, everybody. You need to say sorry to everybody, including the family of your husband. Everybody. Also, that is, I don't understand. Your greediness. I know where. When uke kabiana we uke kai ko wo this oga Solomon uka ko wo ujemi ya gbo kan le we no ma de go no na ge oda for hepe o bere no je we bo o ma munya de we bo when uke kai ko to the extent you know you well la the social media do aso we or block you we e gbo ojo bia ni block you we my life we bo we in my face we na face the we bo na and have a sustain what ever run no odafinya rewable here in Nigeria. Most of them they rent now rent they still they don't see anything to fall back on their husband. Say there will be people that will say or what that from you know some of them serve ibuka and the year operate and shop. We're not even bold that you have a shop. There is difference between shop and ibuka. Some of women the Daphnia Rewebo Canadian now operate. They operate for ibuka. That is, so they sell inside market safe. Inside market almost train. Oh yeah, it's sell inside market. But this one equits you little bit. To lack of nothing. How disgrace egbe no mo bogbu we ebony e ogini wa ebony wa second weji Everybody was say why you be working what of you young. Your disgrace, it called the smell to the waste yesterday, you know the smell ye no zime. Ya the gualo na ni meme the Facebook we aki. Ya the gualo na no smell said I press Facebook we aki or what allowed me to do the video. Disgrace yourself too much. And all that thing when you they do where I not like. If they do video, always tell your daughter or your son, make that they carry that small boy. Hey, move your honey yakara at your boy. Emma, hey, mo yakara ya at your boy. Uma he we boy so na matiese. Aye gbom avioy. Ebo na matiese. Adwa ye gbom avioy. Hey, move your honey yakara. Aya at your boy. And why no and one area no. I mean, you were met with Tabon. And where you had see a bob. Where you have to be very a bonuti. Nonsense. This idiot. There was when the thing start, I can't write something for my Facebook. Say, child, you mumusha. You understand? I can't let her know, say, you already can't let the world know, say, your husband a drunkard. Believe, say, this thing not come out for social media, it not come out too, because if you have problem with anybody, now that thing, that go be your wicked point where they will take they attack you. Say, oh, that for we're not dying, or what I want that for what dying. Erita, I say, my people, shall I come into my own Facebook, my own page. He can't comment for the thing that I sent. He said, in short, he said me where not even, I know, he said me where my enemy don't even die. So you know what me even answer me. The thing come back for me. Me call the type, make I tell reply. So I call reply and say, you know that is, you see, I say, see where they tell you, say you have lose it all. School, you say you go. You don't give no how to carry Bible to write. That means we imagine school, we make school. You come into my own wall now, my own wall, what I post, to come and answer me respectfully. You come and answer me. And instead answering me, you were still telling me that me, I be dead person, and you know the answer dead person. Who they craze me for being as you? Don't want to imagine school. You don't already answered me, oh. You don't already respectfully answered me. I didn't come to your wall to write it. In my own wall now, I wrote something there, and you respectfully come to me. I answered me in my wall. And you still side answering me. You are still telling me you don't want to answer me. Now there I know, say you don't Chris. If I know that is, or even loud that is, you know, you are not with yourself. We're always phone. Now you do wedding well la weki. No. Because our not here school use that kind of language in my own wall, not in your own wall, in my own space. You come, you respect me. I wrote something and you get attracted to it. And come to my own wall and answered me. Inside answering me, you are still telling me you are that is I'm not the best way you come answer. Zua, oh, it was Zua. For even respectfully come to my own wall and answered me. You are still writing there, you don't want to answer me. You are stupid. Imagine all the disgrace you are disgracing yourself. Every blessed day you come outside. I see video where you do yesterday morning. You know they see your face. It can't they let you know say before with even the thing say it's yellow no more, it's yellow or geleki. But when albino now not the albino contest for your face. Even that not the albinos can't even tell for your face. When they get what we're giving me on social media, every time you just come out, AK, where they worry a logo where we why AKK here. Why AKK here? Do you understand? Uwaila daily basis to talking nonsense and utasef. And the nonsense we tarot no like horror me my many area when you talk. And that's the thing your husband does not like. No, you want her mother for where yes, why me tea answer why me tea wanna after you have come to social media to disgrace yourself. I wish maybe na person can't drag you come out for inside house now. If you are doing all this everyday video, everyday write up, I will know what you they do am for. Not be waiting you just carry yourself for inside house, come give us for here. And you don't want nobody to talk on it. Shai lawowa. Ebo zowe eboni. Tami kame boni we no say we are ebo meme na you know. Ebo meme. When boy soro oye ni na po oye polugo wa fear legal. Ogi o me lele how many markets. A boy or worry we na. Do more thing na so no ban ya deg video na. Near ya me will a monogu for the moment. Maybe they give you mercy for to sleep. You need that many see of sleep. Or maybe you won't express to the world. No matter go express to the world that is eating you. And all the meaning or Yahweh depressed. Where I have video when now that you are doing lately. You are not just okay. You are not okay. You have lose it all. You are lose all. Imagine that for when married, whenever they go back to you, my sister. But sometimes other for when here we no ragbo or meti save woman. Other for when Solomon need to save his own life first. Or you cannot save a life first. Cause there you I don't mean what soy I do bene. I do bene or Solomon will come back to you. Nonsense. We're not you don't even you go my summer. Come outside to bring a rosa plate. Beggar. Everybody come and support me. Somebody support me. Who want to support you? I know people will support you. Those people always present us in our support you. At least they can be able to give you 30,000 naira, 20,000 naira, 50,000 naira. Calculate all of them. How many of them? I think there are almost 5 that is a no support you. So you were 5 in one 200,000 way. The rest fans no platform where my fans come and support me. Almost of all your fans na Benin people that day. Edoyaji. If you have said beggar we. You have a mama bo. So maybe all those one can be able to be donating 1,000 naira or 2,000 naira for you. Egbo o sigo no gwalo ozuo. Umyokbia no unu no mu weye kete. We gwalo. The man of you who work na marry. My was everything with time away. But we're not learn now with shadows and over where I must get married by force. Where unyanganya na me where na azwa. Eruwala ya more money. Ya more money eruwala because me waju we go. Me waju we go. Me aju we go eruwala. Ya more your honey. Osene. And where what money what you wear no you wear what where or you wear no beside you wear no. Why are you wicked in that charge? What's on now wicked or money? Or money or see or you when you have fake cash joy. When me special especially what a special need. You are not a special need or when when what where are you buy okay I make side chick buy okay ya ye ke we gwale ke no ma ke no jo what fair for that charge why you do a disgracing anybody do I case one now Mozambique man ya take care of that charge ya gba oge o bi we no Ijokba abino. Also no money na labino re. A child Francis abino no. All your hand abino re. But while they face some money, a look alike where one no. Go and take care of that child. Be now. Why give out one go and come in social media? Even then, all now with Latiana, what they go where a child they order for a young bin a Latiana. Who wait say no wala. No tear share or no see anybody with share la wo go. Move hana ni ya we die and any make na gba over go no way. Who may you can even take that your daughter. Obije. Either you bring the child here to Europe or you when is you when better school. Fair for that child. One leg here. So no bana me that banner. I will no ma fit ba we a few yagba go money. Because a sha zua we na do gbe gwale romo. My son no so ba get this kind infant in life. This kind way there is the family, the two couples will not be that is they will not agree to one word or the child will be denied. Or there is a place God is taking that child to. But child magge so ba mu na re omomo your money gwaleru walakia me na miewe heru wala ge igo no mege okay sha uzuagbe wazua begbe yagbe we ma we no so ba design of we ni yan te da e mo we na gele ijagbo una dege fisher of your honey where are dege we read that what we the fisher get away of your honey meti officer egbo ni ke o mo we mu hiani we na gele ja we ga so bo na gele ana we ha or ha we ne we na dege of your honey we are we of your obi we ni he forget era ke we do are ba to ge wo so ge what say egbe ni na reject any they will ye do aba ni but o magyo so lo ba mu ni mu na ge uri omo ya gwale idiotic ya omo gwale o ma negbe ma ho yan no reject it no more no reject it that is totally disgrace this monkey to the core. When it's Jeffy went to help who will help a diamond. You are not happy diamond. Umo diamond mudo mula diando. That is, you are just disgracing this little girl. A lot of children are facing the same faces. Here, a mobu no reposition in the way this kind of way, papa rejection, mama rejection. A mabu no ready position. But when madu aminya do ya fofunu the social media, do ya me plaster mujia me facing ya ladia. Your own. Hi, God. What do you think that little girl will be facing in school? Abi a classmate okay? He have a classmate. He have a classmate okay? He have this right up in social media. This disgrace, you are disgracing yourself with the so-called father. The kind name wa mono bi ohana. Shall I get inside? Oh, where moment? I bet my people. Now I leave her first. Now I leave her small. Since I don't use her to open this my Facebook back. If you try, if I see her, say try see come and see Chris. Because now she don't turn to Chris, human being for social media. She don't turn to Chris. She they come out anyhow. She sometimes say, oh, yeah, they wear wala diyange shine. Wear omune no more. Obi ohani nekere ni obi sevigi. Egi moya kara am tie boss. Egi mo money yakara tie boss. No ya horo Egi mo bi ohani yakara no atie boss. Egi mo yakara Emma o he abi e mami water no ma he mi no a law no dele e ke no wi kere or him. You feel where one board that is, you know how you can go to Juju, but you don't know the rules and the regulation of that thing you are doing. Carry your child wa hi e salava we ni yanu ya hi ni o kara yo hu wa ama we ne Imagine where we are working doing. And la one gegie. Alright, more where by this time around, do you know what we will do? When we are the Biana get the wow hole. The Biana wow hole. My sister, calm down. Calm down. Early morning, a dear be go orwe, wa go no wa boom. You may your why little for never yenny. J 30 minutes by your way, why you. Any name you are where they were, hey, child, you not do video today. Child, you not go right today. No, where are you? We ask where so we no, I don't go right. I don't go do video. Why go away? Why go away? Why go away? So don't. When the thought is coming, that the thought will like, child, hey, this person they cost you. You don't go right again. Just go right, go right, go right, go right. We are time on when we know I will not write. I'm enjoying this. I'm enjoying. Why are you winning? My sister, you will get over it. You will get over it. For it, you will lose it up. You lose it. You will lose it. Then una be ya disgrace boy. Una uji no wa kere boy. Uji okere no wa ke. No ke. Una wa nyaga. Una nyaga. Where degi moji. Sometimes even soon how people love you, how people hate you, how people carried you. I think by this time you have learned in a way almost all the word, every word did this word. No kedo state no, almost all of them don't like you at all. Almost everyone don't like you. The same thing everybody is complaining about you. The same thing. Who are take me when I'm here? It's a we be sign away. I want to take me mama amai. Say, Yahweh, Yama yo, say your way, are your way, are your way. Say your rubber, Same yo, yak big boy, Yahweh. Even time when I met you way, Vanna, are your way, Yahweh. What? Yak big way. One guy one no be like them live video do here guy even one even hiata do here guy nisi they may hear damn your way you will become a newborn baby in short